Welcome to TechWorthy. Today we're going to be doing an installation guide on the SSD. This particular SSD is a Samsung 860 EVO 1TB, and we will be showing benchmarks at the end of the video. The first thing we're going to be doing is removing the side panels. So our case has a tempered glass side panel, so we just remove the thumb screws here, 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 and here, and then just pick the glass up by the edges and set it down to a place where it will be safe. And if your case doesn't have tempered glass, in our case the back side doesn't, you just remove the two thumb screws here and here and then slide it back and the back panel comes off. So the last step to the installation is the cables. So first you take the power cable from the power supply and then plug it into the bottom. And then you take the SATA cable, it looks like this, it should come with your motherboard, and plug it in next to the power cable. Make sure you hear the metal click in, and then you move it through to the other side so you can plug it into the motherboard. Next, go over to the other side of your PC and take the other end of your SATA connector and plug it into the SATA port on the side right here. You can also plug it into one of these ports in the bottom right corner. So after you turn your PC on, just spam the delete key and that'll bring you to your BIOS, and then you just check the list of devices, and here we see Samsung SSD 860 EVO 1TB, which means that it's properly installed and it's being recognized by the motherboard.